Hello and welcome to our Golden Gate Suite. This is our main entrance, our foyer, if you will, and directly to our right coming in is a bathroom area, which is very strange to me, but I thought it was a bar. No, there are towels here. All of our necessary items, hair dryer. And then over here, we have a frosted glass entry to a shower, stand-in shower, pretty big space, huge. You've got an overhead rain head and you've got a detachable one. You know what that's for. Over here, we have a hook, that's cool, and a toilet, which is kind of concerning. Okay, there's a fan, that's good. But if you're here with someone new, be aware that you're gonna be in a frosted glass toilet room. And we have our sink, and we have the amenities here. Got your cool mirror to do your, tweezing, plucking, whatever. And from here we have our suite area. Which includes a couch, luxurious, love it. Lamp, great. And across, we have our refrigerator, which is super cool. No provided beverages, which I appreciate.
Except mine.
Except, yeah, a free one.
That's mine.
From Steven. Here are some drawers for unpacking. You've got 4 of them. They're huge. They're counterness. Great. Big TV. I like the stained glass touch. That's nice. I appreciate it. And then you have our bedroom area, which has a giant closet, extra pillow, ironing board, safe, luggage rack. I never knew how much I appreciated those until we stayed at the Strat and I'd put my stuff on the ground. So that's good. We have a nice seating area again, and a mirror here, which it's not quite full length. There is a full length at the door. Our view is not fantastic. The Golden Gate is at the end of the downtown strip. So we can see a parking garage, basically. So there is one fun thing, I guess, where if you have to go to the bathroom or you have to shower and you're not quite that intimate with the person yet, you get these hospital curtains. Here we have a Keurig. Those look free. They seem free. Don't know about the smart water. We can ask.
Water's included.
Water's included.
Daily.
What?
2 waters a day. Coffee included.
Like this.
Yeah.
This is nice and substantial. I feel like I should be tending bar here.
It is
Bar.
if you want to entertain in here, you just remove some of the towels and throw a couple bottles in there and stuff, and you got a little bar.
And then leave the door open when you're using the bathroom, and it's a full show.
Well, I was going to say maybe the shower, but yeah, you could do that toilet, I guess.
No, I want to get real weird. And that is the Golden Gate Suite, which we upgraded from a free base room, and honestly, I think it's worth it.